Tobago would like to welcome all stakeholders to the CReW Innovative Water and Wastewater Management Project and celebrate the selection of Charlotteville Tobago as a Caribbean pilot community. The CReW project aims to improve drinking water availability and reduce fresh and seawater pollution in Charlotteville through a household-level approach. The Ministry of Public Utilities is the facilitator and project champion for the GEF CReW project. This initiative includes a few projects, with Charlotteville being the first. Now, let's hear from the ministry.
I am Cheryl Solomon, Acting Deputy Permanent Secretary at the Ministry of Public Utilities, and the CReW is a GEF-funded partnership project being co-implemented by the IDB and UNEP. This project has afforded TNT the opportunity to design and implement interventions towards an integrated approach for water and wastewater management, particularly waste management. Intervention in Charlotteville was allocated the most money from this funding opportunity because as a fishing village and tourism hub, poor water affects its ecotourism potential and livelihood. We at the Ministry of Public Utilities are committed to this collaborative project, and our team looks forward to its success and the real-life impact that it would have on the communities involved.
The Charlotteville Water Crew, a team of trained residents, is reaching out to every household in the village regarding drinking water availability and pollution. The THA played a vital role in this project. Here's what the Honorable Chief Secretary Fali Augustine had to say.
Water security plays a vital role in our sustenance. It's about lives and livelihoods. Going household by household as opposed to a massive infrastructural project is in itself better for the environment, because no two households are alike, and it means that every household can cater specifically to what they need. Doing it at an individual level is better for the environment. It results in better protection of water sources, and it results in much more responsible residents.
We also interviewed the GEF SGP representative, and this is what she had to say.
What does water or more water for Northeast Tobago mean? Means greater opportunities, right? Greater livelihoods and improving the lifestyle of the people who live in this area. I am not averse to large infrastructural projects, but I think the future of adaptation for climate change and the future of mitigation for climate change lies in community resilience.
Over the next months, our plumbing crew will provide the community with water storage assistance, water-saving shower heads, septic tank pumping, and minor repairs. Let's hear from some of the beneficiaries and a community elder.
It's a good service because if pulling one tank is 800 or 400 and you can get it for 200, it's worth the while. Okay. So I think we should go for it, and it is coming off.
All right.
Because I got my tanks pulled today. I have 2 tanks and I got them pulled today at a cheaper cost, and things right now is very expensive, so I'm thankful for that.
My experience with the pumping of the septic tank was very good, you know. I mean, it's a good experience. People reach out to me at first, and then the truck come in and pump the septic tank. You guys also install a cover, which a lot of people didn't have. Actually, everything went spooled professionally. No leakage in your yard, and people sign, you get a receipt and so forth. Everything went spooled and professionally.
For this community, this can be a blessing, because let's be frank, there are some residents who have difficulty in even finding the money to have this cesspit full, as we call it. So if there's a reduction in the price, the average person would welcome it.
Now, let me introduce you to the project leader and one member of the CReW Charlotteville Water Crew.
Water security is very important to the development and sustaining life in any communities. Dealing with persons on a one-on-one basis was determined to be the best way forward. With bigger infrastructure projects, the community sometimes feels detached from the project. With this particular approach, this localized household approach, persons have greater buy-in, they have a role to play, and because of that there is a greater commitment to continue the changes even after the initial implementation.
My name is Chelsea Manswell. I was aware of the project through the Charlotteville Police Youth Club and through the Charlotteville Lighthouse Tabernacle Church where I attend. My experience thus far has been great. I have learned communication skills, learning to be interactive with the members of the village and meeting their needs.
You can reach us on Facebook or our website for further information on this project. Finally, the Environmental Research Institute Charlotteville would like to thank all stakeholders involved in this project.